In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a Docusign template. This process is straightforward and efficient, allowing you to quickly manage electronic signatures for your documents. Let's get started by navigating to Docusign, a leading platform in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to click on that Login button. If you're not familiar, it's usually located at the top right corner of the web page. Enter your credentials and then you'll find yourself on the Docusign homepage, your central hub for managing all things related to your documents and signatures. Now, it's time to access the section where your templates reside. You'll navigate from the home page to the templates area. Typically, you can find this by looking at the top menu and selecting it directly or going through a menu drop-down. Once you're there, the task is to select a template. If you have a pre-existing template you aim to use, you can directly click on it. If you need a new one, you can click the button to create a new template and build it from scratch. Today, let's select an existing template as it simplifies the process. After selecting the template, you need to add some details to personalize it for your specific needs. This step involves filling in all the relevant information that is unique to the document you're preparing. This might include adding names, dates, or any specific terms pertinent to the agreement. At this stage, attention to detail is crucial. Ensure you've covered all the necessary fields and correctly inputted the information. Once you're satisfied with the details, click the Next button to proceed. Moving on, you'll be directed to customize the fields of your document. The next crucial step is to click on Text. This is the moment where you can add or modify text fields as needed. Think of it as applying that final polish, ensuring every required field is present and accurate. You can move these fields around, adjust their sizes, and even change their properties, ensuring it fits perfectly within the context of your document. With these steps completed, your template is now ready for use. If you're doing this for the first time, take a moment to double check everything is in place. The beauty of Docusign lies in its flexibility and the ease it brings to contractual processes. With your template set, sending documents for signature will be straightforward, enhancing both efficiency and security in your document management. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this walkthrough makes your experience with Docusign seamless and productive.